Okay, so here I am again. And you know, look at, I even have makeup on today. See? See? Okay, so tonight we're making green bean casserole. And I'm sure everybody has made it before. So, and I buy these generic, generic. So anyway, have my beans in here. See them? Oh, and then I have this, which is my cream and mushroom soup with milk. And then I'm going to add some creamy melt to that. Putting all these flowers. That's really good. Well, you know, I mean, especially women, they're always interested in learning more, you know, more ideas for cooking and stuff. So I'm going to add a bunch of this cheese in there. And it's the creamy melt with Philadelphia in it. So, yeah, it'll melt and make it. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to use my little whisker. I'm going to whisk this up. And then I got some Iowa chops from Fairway. And I froze them right away. And then I unthawed them last night. I was going to cook them last night, but they didn't get unthawed enough. So I'm going to make them tonight. And then I'm going to show you a really good marinade that I'm going to use that I looked up on Google. And it looked really good when I looked it up. So I stirred the marinade together last night. And then I put it on the chops tonight. So this is kind of the consistency of that. I don't know if you can see it or not. I guess you can. But anyhow, so yeah, I'm going to turn this together. I got some soap over there. Some stuff. Put this in there. Uh-oh, I spilled some. And you just have to kind of, just kind of fluff it, I guess. Fluff it together. Because for a day and I only use 1 can of beans. And I know the recipe probably calls for 2. But, you know, we don't need 2 cans of beans. And I buttered the casserole first. You know, but then, you know, you think about why did I butter it? Because you're stirring it around. It's going to take all the butter off the sides, but it's never too bad. And I always just soak it in hot water. And then it's easy to clean. Okay, so there, that's that. And then I just take a little paper towel. I know you're probably all laughing at me, but I don't care. And wipe off the edges. Okay, then. Got that done. I'll clean this little mess up here. Sorry. Made a little mistake. Okay, that's over. And then I have these That's Smart. Them. Everybody likes them. My hands are clean. No worries. Put them on the top. Oh, wait, hold on. I got to show you my pork chop recipe. And my pork chops, which are marinating. I'm doing all this on a Wednesday night. Is that like the stupidest? But, you know. I like to eat, although I'm skinny, but get in there. Kind of tamp them down a little bit. Okay, that'll be good. And I have some left over for next time. For 2 people, you really don't need any more than 1 can. You know, unless you like a lot of leftovers. You have a man that, you know, eats all your leftovers, but anyway. What a boring video, right? I mean, it's so boring, but people like to see stuff. Oh, I was going to tell you about tuna also. Okay, so here it is. This is how it turned out. Whoops. See, look at. And once it gets, you know, cooked, that'll be all brown and everything. So that's done. I got to get the lid. Oops. Oh, shoot. I want to have the lid, but. Uh-oh. Oh, I got some stuff on the side. Can't have that. Okay. I'll just put a paper towel over it. And then for my work, and for my work, we don't have a cafeteria. So I have to always make sure I have my lunch to take. So I buy these little things, and they're really good. You know, Tuna Creations. And what I do is I just take one flavor of one and one of the other, and then just put it in a dish like a Tupperware or a, what do you call it, Ziploc thing, and just put mayonnaise in it. Oh, that's not the ones. Wait. I wanted to show you this other kind. Chicken salad. I've never had that one before, so I don't know how that's going to be. No, I get these flavored ones right here. And so I put, excuse me, a lemon pepper and sweet and spicy together into one container, and then put mayo in that. And then I have to get some fresh bread. And then I'll show you my pork chops. Sabina, my hair is like, I don't know. Look at it. It got cut off. Like, you know, she took like 2 or 3 inches off. But it's just like fuzz. And where I work, the air conditioner doesn't work. So, you know, we have no air conditioner. Look at, she's loving me. Okay. Wait, I'm going to show you my pork chops. Here they come. Okay, so these are Iowa chops, which I don't really know exactly what that means, except I think they're like really thick. So then I did that, and then I used this seasoning, and I looked on their website, and it says, the website is bootlegmeats.com, and all the reviews were really, really good on this spice. So I put it on there first and did like a rub, and then I used this. Okay, bear with me. I wanted to show you this recipe. Wait. Let's see, how can I do this? Oh, gosh. Oh, geez. I gotta go back here. Wait. Well, I might not be able to do it. Okay, so I'll just read it to you. Okay, okay, so it is soy sauce. It says, you know when something hits the pan and it smells so great that even if it's the first time you've made that recipe, you know it's going to be a winner. This is one of those. Plus, the added bonus is that there is very good chance that all the ingredients are already in your pantry, which it was. They were. Soy sauce, brown sugar, mustard, garlic, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. So you just put all that together, which I did last night, which I wish I could show you this, but I can't seem to get it. Well, maybe that's how it goes. But see, all right. So that's my pork chops. Oh, and then that's what they're gonna look like when they're done. Where is it? There it is. But anyhow, okay, so that's all I was gonna tell you about that. And thanks for watching. Hi, Diane. Oh, I miss you so much. I miss interacting with you. Hi, Judy. It's nice to see everyone, and thanks for watching. So I'm gonna grill these on my trusty grill, which is like not that trusty, but you know, it will work. And I do have, I had to get one of these lighter things. One of these things, see? So you can like, you know, get in there and light it up. It works good. I couldn't find it the other night, but anyway, so yeah, I have that. Okay, well, thanks for everybody watching, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks, bye.